to Disney this day, I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1957, the Frontierland Shooting Gallery opened at Disneyland. One of 4 shooting galleries in the early years of the park, it is the only one that still survives today. The guns originally fired real lead pellets. Every night the chipped targets had to be repainted before the next day's action, adding up to about 2,000 gallons of paint every year. In 1984, though, infrared technology replaced live rounds. Digital sound effects and animation now activate when a target is hit. Have you done this one? I haven't. I'm not tall enough. Anyway, have a magical day.